Hello and welcome to lesson 47 in the creation of our school management system using Microsoft Excel and Word with the GeForce IT Service Academy. In lesson 46, we were dealing with how to insert some formulas that can help each class to determine the amount of fees that each student is supposed to pay from that class. We were inserting formulas that can help our system, formula that can help our school management system to determine the amount of fees that each student must pay from each class without any stress and without any problem. So in this lesson 47, we are only going to continue inserting our formulas without any challenge. So if you are new to the channel, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell icon for all. Make sure that you like and share this video with your friends and family members to also benefit from. Please, we don't charge anything for these videos, so the only thing that you can do to help this channel grow is to make sure that you subscribe to the channel, you share our videos with your friends, share our videos. Please don't be stingy. Share our videos with your friends to also benefit from us. Drop your comments in the comment section. Check the description of this video. Please make sure that you check the description of these videos so that you get more video links on how to create a school management system without any stress and without any problem. Many people don't know that they can create school management system using Microsoft Excel VBA. Please, in this lesson, in this course, on this channel, we'll guide you on how to create a school management system using Microsoft Excel and Word. So let's just get started without wasting much time. So in lesson 46, as I said, we ended with the basic 8. So in this lesson, we are going to continue and look at the basic 9. So we will only insert our if statement. If, then you bring a new bracket like this, C6. So the C6 is representing the class column here. The C6 is representing the class column. So C6 equal to sign. Then you bring your inverted commas like this. Then which class are we working on? Basic 9. So basic 9 like this. Then you close it like this. Then you bring comma. So the previous amount for the previous class was 650 Ghana cedis. So all basic 9 students must pay 700 cedis as their fee, as their school fees or whatever, tuition fee or whatever. So that is it. So we are moving to the last one. Now we are going to insert a formula that can help us to do something special here. Now we are done with the classes that we have in our system, so let's insert another formula here. If, then you open a new bracket like this. If, then you open a new bracket, then C6, then you insert your equal to sign, then we open we bring another inverted commas here, then we close it again. So if there is no student from that class, then the fee should be 0. If no student is coming from that class, then the fee in that class should be 0, or the fee in that class should be false. So let's bring comma here, then we insert false like this. Then we are now going to do something special here. We are going to do something special here. All right, so what this simply means is that the student must select must belong to a particular class. The student must belong to a particular class so that that student can pay any of these amounts appearing here. Good. So now we are going to do some settings here. So please follow the lesson here carefully. Follow the lesson here carefully. So we started with KG1. We are now going to close all these brackets that we've opened. Please, we are now going to close all the brackets that we've opened from the beginning of this formula here. So please make sure that you watch this video carefully so that you not make any mistake. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we've opened 12 brackets here. So we are going to close all of them one after the other. We are going to close them one after the other. So please make sure that you don't make any mistake. Make sure that you don't make any mistake. Please make sure you don't make any mistake here. So let's begin to close them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so let's count it again. Let's count it again and check something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So let's remove 1 and let's hit enter. What is wrong? What is wrong? What is wrong? All right. Let's add that 1 again. Hit enter. Good. So we have it here. So we have the formulas here. We have them up and running here. So thank you very much. Let's meet in lesson 48, where we'll continue and do some basic settings on this same form here without any stress and without any problem. So until then, thank you very much. Let's meet in lesson 48. Bye bye.